Here are the top 6 new features of the 2023 MacBook Pros. Starting out, Apple has adopted Wi-Fi 6E. Wi-Fi 6E has been around for a little while now, but Apple has been slow to upgrade some of its systems. Wi-Fi 6E allows new access to the 6 GHz band alongside 2.4 and 5. For crowded spaces like cities and apartment buildings, this can easily mean more bandwidth. It can also be faster. Here in my home on my existing network, I saw significant improvements in speed on the new MacBook Pros on my existing Wi-Fi 6 routers. Number 2 on the list is HDMI 2.1. Apple still has the same HDMI port on the side of its new Macs, but now it has been upgraded from HDMI 2.0 to HDMI 2.1. HDMI 2.1 enables two things. You can now connect an 8K external display, or you can connect a 4K display, but up to 240 Hz. These are big improvements for gamers and professionals who are looking for that extra screen real estate or screen resolution or those higher refresh rates. Number 3 is the Apple's new M2 series silicon. Apple now has an M2 Pro and M2 Max inside of the 14 and 16-inch MacBook Pros. Not only are these new chips significantly faster, especially in the graphics department, they have a few other important changes that I wanted to call out. Apple has now moved from a 10-core chip on the M1 Pro and M1 Max to a new 12-core CPU on the M2 Pro and M2 Max. Apple has also increased the GPU count. It'll max out now at 38 cores for the GPU versus 32 maximum on the prior generations. So again, more improvements in terms of performance and graphical power. Then we have the memory. Apple is upgrading the maximum amount of memory on the new machines. Now it'll cap out at 96 gigs of memory versus only 64 on the prior generation MacBook Pros with the M1 Pro or M1 Max. Then we have the MagSafe cable. Apple is still using MagSafe 3 on the latest generation MacBook Pros, but if you get the Space Gray MacBook Pro, Apple will include a color-matched cable to go with it. So if you have a Space Gray color, you'll have a Space Gray MagSafe 3 cable. And as an added bonus, by the way, the Apple stickers in the box are also black on the Space Gray version, which you don't see super often from Apple. They're usually just the white ones. Finally, battery life. On the 16-inch MacBook Pro, Apple says battery life can be extended as much as an hour. For video playback, you'll now get up to 22 hours of video playback time versus only 21 on the prior generation models. Now in terms of regular use and web browsing and stuff like that, it's going to differ, but more battery life is always going to be a good thing. The new MacBook Pros are available right now, and we have some discounts and links included for you down below in the description and pinned in the comments. Stay tuned, I got more videos coming your way.